Today we're talking shade. We've got one of our folding canopy tops on an old Maristar MasterCraft. Justin here from SewLong, and I just wanted to go over some of the benefits and features to our folding canopy top. As you can see, this thing is giant on this boat. I've got lots of headroom. The old bimini tops that would normally go on these style of boats would be underneath and within the tower, and they'd be really small and low and really cumbersome to use and hard to store. This thing mounts to the tower, gives you plenty of headroom, plenty of coverage, and even stores up on the tower. As you can see up front here, this thing sticks way out over the front, the top of the windshield, covering the front area of the cockpit very well. And as you can see here in the back, plenty of coverage for the back of the cockpit, but still allows you to get in and out of the boat. One of my favorite features of our folding canopy tops are these surf pockets. You can see we've got the surfboard up here, super convenient storage for your board. And not only are the surf pockets easy to use, but they're made with our heat reflective silver fabric. Now let's show you how easy they are to use. Unpin both sides. Pro tip here, put your pin back in the thing so it doesn't dangle on the freeway. Clip your bar up, and they simply fold right in half. Take the fabric, wrap it around, boot it up, and you're ready to go. To deploy the bimini tops, just as easy. Remove the boot, unwrap the fabric, flip the top open, and pin the bars back into place. Another pro tip here, leave the pin in just a little bit, but not in the hole, and it helps you get them lined up. And voila, you got shade. So if you have an older wake boat with the tower and you want extra shade, check us out at SewLong.com.